Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we take a closer look at the Panasonic 14.0kgs washing machine, Model NA-FD14V1. We've been testing this powerhouse appliance for a while, and we can't wait to share our thoughts with you. Let's ease right in. First impressions, right off the bat. The first thing that struck us about the Panasonic NA-FD14V1 is its sleek and modern design. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it a great addition to any laundry room. The control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for effortless operation. Capacity and load options. With its impressive 14.0kgs capacity, this washing machine is a true workhorse, capable of handling large loads with ease. Whether it's heavy bedding, a mountain of towels, or a week's worth of clothes, the NA-FD14V1 handles it all effortlessly. Plus, the wide range of load options gives you the flexibility to customize each wash according to your needs. Ideographic period. Efficient washing performance. One thing that really stood out to us is the washing performance of the Panasonic NA-FD14V1. It features advanced technologies that ensure thorough cleaning while being gentle on your clothes. The powerful motor and innovative drum design work together to remove stubborn stains and dirt, leaving your laundry fresh and spotless. Energy and water efficiency. Another aspect we love about this washing machine is its energy and water efficiency. The NA-FD14V1 is designed to be environmentally friendly, using just the right amount of water and energy to get the job done. It's a win-win situation, as you save on utility bills while contributing to a greener planet. Convenience features. Panasonic has thoughtfully added several convenience features that make laundry day a breeze. The quick wash option is perfect for those times when you need clean clothes in a hurry. The delay start timer allows you to schedule your wash cycles to start at a more convenient time. Additionally, the child lock feature gives you peace of mind, especially if you have curious little ones around. Quiet operation. We were pleasantly surprised by how quiet the Panasonic NA-FD14V1 operates. Even during high-speed spin cycles, the noise level remains minimal, ensuring a peaceful laundry experience without disturbing your household. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Panasonic 14.0kgs washing machine, Model NA-FD14V1, is a true powerhouse that checks all the boxes when it comes to performance, efficiency, and convenience. Its large capacity, efficient washing, and thoughtful features make it a standout performer in its category. If you're in the market for a reliable and top-performing washing machine, we highly recommend considering the NA-FD14V1 from Panasonic. That wraps up our review of the Panasonic NA-FD14V1 washing machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.